Compressed air powers your business. But every leak, every inefficiency is money slipping away. Leaks and old drains release air you have already paid to compress. Regular maintenance and modern zero-loss drains stop the waste before it starts. Clogged filters and blocked coolers force your compressor to work harder. Running above your actual requirement increases energy use and cost. Set the right pressure, and your system runs efficiently. Even the heat your compressor produces can work for you. Reuse waste heat to warm water or air, turning waste into useful energy. Every small improvement adds up. From sealing leaks to recovering heat, reducing waste makes your system stronger, your costs lower, and your business more efficient.